Welcome. If you want to set up volume limit in your IKEA Symfonisk picture frame speaker, you have to open the Sonos application, tap right here on the right upper corner, go for the system, pick your room and the device, and pick the volume limit from the sound options. Right here you can pick the maximum volume level. For example, you can set the 50, and when you set it up and go back, as you can see right now, it changed from the off to 50%. And right now, when you are going to increase volume level on your phone or the device itself, you cannot go above the 50% of the volume limit. Of course, you can reset by tapping right here. And right now it turns to power off. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.